Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set up the gun into the platform, but I'm gonna double stick tape it. And to do the experiment first, this is a 3M double stick tape. It's pretty strong, but the secret with this thing that it has to be heat up in order to work. Let's do that. Okay, let's heat this thing up. Need to be pretty warm, almost melting it. Oh yeah. So what you do, you let it bubble for a second, and then the double-sided tape just becomes to be very, very strong. And what you need to do is put your platform and push it into place, and just hold it for a couple seconds with high pressure till it's actually set. And then meanwhile, what I did when you guys were not looking, I just run the wire through it so they come in from underneath, so we can do like 360 with no problem. It's already feel like it's drying, so we can go to the next process of start putting the chain back. And after we put the chain, we're gonna be ready to stretch it and kind of ready to go. So let's do that. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit tricky to put a chain. Okay, after the chain seat, I have the chain tightener, and what it does is actually make sure that it's tight at all time, and I can adjust it to wherever I want. And now this will actually pivot the gun to wherever we want it. So our platform getting actually pretty good. Let's go to the next step, and now we have to set up the platform to sit actually on top of something to test it. And I'm gonna set real quick the tester, and then we're gonna go from there. I just need actually to test one piece at the time. So actually we can do that while I'm holding it. Let's see. Let's start with this platform of the gun itself. So what I do is very simple. I'm just gonna plug it to a servo tester. And when you plug it to the servo tester and you plug a battery, you can shift it to wherever you want. Let's see, it's not going to make a 360 and hit me. I knew it's going to do that. Okay, so now this is our pivot point. This is when I'm just holding it. It's not so stable or anything right now because I'm holding it. I'm holding the platform, but it's actually working really, really cool. I can do 360 and I can go, wow, this is going pretty fast. Okay, this is when I do it slow, but it can go fast, and it will do like a 360, no problem at all, to wherever I want it. Yeah, you see that? This is a problem. Good, it happened. I need to make it tighter. My chain tightener is not strong enough. I'm gonna have to make it tighter, but it's pretty cool. It's working. Going to the next step right now. Stay tuned. The cool thing about it, I'm just telling you a secret. We're gonna put a real rifle on it eventually. Bye.